Analyzing an existing global problem, we find that plastic pollution is growing significantly. Given these measures must be taken to mitigate this impact on the environment. Therefore, I have chosen the purpose of business area in which plastic is taken and recycled transformatively undergoing various processes until obtaining a finished product, which would be an eco-friendly brick. Well, my name is Manuel Olivares. I'm a student of Universidad Nacional Abierta de Distancia, UNAD. In this presentation, I will speak about river logistics as a business opportunity. So let's do it. Introduction: The purpose of this meeting is to present and justify the choice of river logistics based on the plastic recycling, as well as the business idea derived from this practice, EcoLadrillos S.A.S, a company dedicated to transforming plastic waste into sustainable construction materials. The first question that I do me is why I choose this rebel logistic activity? Well, I choose this. I choose recycling as a rebel logistic activity because it allows me to recover material that have reached the end of their useful life, reintegrating them into the production process and generating both economic and environmental value. Unlike other activities such as repair or disposal, recycling offers a comprehensive solution as it reduces pollution, promotes the circular economy, and encourages the responsible use of resources. Why I choose plastic waste? Well, my material was plastic. Plastic was selected because it is one of the most abundant and polluting waste products on the planet. Every year, millions of tons of it are generated and end up in rivers, oceans, and landfills, taking centuries to degrade. However, this same material has high transformation potential, as it can be turned into new, durable, and useful product. During use represent an economic and an environmental opportunity rather than a waste problem. Why I select the business area EcoLadrillos S.A.S? Well, of the various alternative analyzed, I choose EcoLadrillos S.A.S because it integrates the three pillars of sustainability: environmental, social, and economic. This initiative converts recycled plastic into eco-friendly brick, a product that replaces conventional construction material with high environmental impact. General concept: Well, EcoLadrillos S.A.S is a circular economic business project that transforms plastic waste into eco-friendly block and tile for the construction of sustainable homes and spaces. Its goal is to reduce plastic pollution, generate green jobs, and offer affordable solutions for communities and businesses seeking to build in an environmentally responsible manner. Main advantage. Well, what's what's the main advantage? Well, it significantly reduces the volume of plastic waste. It replaces traditional polluting materials such as cement. It creates local jobs and promotes a social inclusion of recyclers. It has low production cost and high durability of the final product. It allows for collaboration with public and private entities committed to sustainability. We pass now to economic benefit. The business model is highly profitable because it reduces raw material costs by using plastic waste. There is a growing demand for eco-friendly materials in the construction sector. Business partnership can be established with government and companies interested in sustainable buildings, and the losses in the long term. It represents a stable and scalable revenue stream by promoting green infrastructure. Environmental contribution. Each pre-produced prevent kilograms of plastic from polluting in the soil or water bodies. It reduces the carbon footprint by reducing the use of cement, one of the most polluting materials. It promotes the reuse of waste under a circular economic approach, and it directly contributes to the Sustainable Development Goals, o SDG, ODS en español, especially SDGs 11, Sustainable Cities, and 12, Responsibility, Consumption and Production. Well, what's the social impact? It creates green jobs in vulnerable communities dedicated to recycling. It fosters a culture of environmental and shared responsibility. It offers more affordable and sustainable housing solutions, and it strengthens the sense of community and cooperation among those involved in the production process. Well, what's the conclusion? In conclusion, plastic recycling through the EcoLadrillos S.A.S project represents a real opportunity to turn waste into a value resource contributing to economic growth, social inclusion, and environmental preservation. It's a clear example of how reverse logic can transform environmental challenges into sustainable businesses with a positive impact on the planet and society. Well, it was all for this presentation, and thank you very much.